to.
Alright. Hey everyone, my name's Christopher. I'm the maintenance technician here and one of the guys that work here. We're going to talk about winter maintenance that we need to take care of. So we have a couple of keys and tips that we can do. When you do come in, we do have a 27-point multi-point where we check all the ball joints, tie rods, make sure everything's going pretty good. Then we have next, we're going to have a cooling system. We're going to check, make sure your system's all the way max. You want to be cold and everything, we want to make sure you're warm. Then we do also have your tires. We want to make sure we can take care of that. We have a buy 3, get 1 free.
What? Buy 3, get 1 free?
Oh yeah.
Let's go!
Then we also have, what we're going to do is we're going to show some wipers for you. Now you do want to take care of that if anything that's broken or it's streaking on your windows. Right now we got some new fresh ones on these brand new Sporties today. So just make sure that we take care of that. So we do, if you want to check us out, come out, call service and we'll get you out.